Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Patreon for subscription strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Patreon website at www.patreon.com. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to choose between signing up with an email or using a Google or Facebook account. If you choose to sign up with email, enter your email address and create a strong password. After entering your details, click on the Sign Up button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Patreon. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Patreon website and log in with your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you will be taken through a brief onboarding process. Choose whether you want to create a page as a creator or pledge as a patron. If you're aiming to create a page, select the Start Your Page option. Fill in the required information such as your display name and profile picture. Next, write a compelling bio that explains what your content is about. Select the primary category that best represents your content. After that, set up your membership tiers with different subscription levels. Decide on the benefits each tier will offer to potential patrons. Make sure to include monetary values for each tier reflecting the benefits provided. Once you have configured your tiers, click on the Publish button to make your page live. You can now share your page link with your audience to start gaining supporters. Always keep your content updated and engage with your patrons regularly. Monitor your progress and adjust your tiers as needed to enhance patron experience. Utilize Patreon's built-in tools to analyze your earnings and engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.